In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use icon plugins in Figma. Start by opening Figma and loading the file where you want to add icons. Next, click on the Actions button and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type the name of the icon plugin you want to use. Popular options include Font Awesome, Iconify, Material Symbols, and Feather Icons. Select the plugin from the search results and click Run. If it's not installed yet, install it first and then open it. Once the plugin launches, you'll see a library of icons available inside the plugin window. Use the search bar to find a specific icon by name or browse through the available categories. When you find an icon you like, simply click on it. The icon will be inserted directly onto your Figma canvas as a vector element that you can edit and customize. You can resize the icon, change its color, adjust the stroke weight, or combine it with other design elements just like any other Figma object. To add more icons, return to the plugin window and select additional icons as needed. Many icon plugins also allow you to filter icons by style, collection, or category, making it easier to find the perfect match for your design. And that's it! You've successfully installed and used an icon plugin in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.